Hi everyone, Leanne here from Jaded Blossom, and I'm here to do the Build-A-Wreath assembly video. So there it is, a super cute die set. I cut out the base of the wreath out of G-Min Tyndalo wood grain cardstock. You can use any cardstock really. It doesn't really show a lot unless you want it to show. So I did cut out 3 pieces of this green. All my greenery today, the green cardstocks, were cut from scrapbook.com's little pads. So they're little pads of paper, the greens, and then I chose another green from another pad. It's their little solids, and I'm just going to add 3 of those. Remember, you can build this any way you'd like. This is just how I built it. So I added 3 of this color. All my die cutting today was done with my Anna Griffin Empress. Okay, now I'm going to add this dark green piece. That's also from scrapbook.com. There we go. And really, I'm just, flying by the seat of my pants here. You don't have to put this together in any particular way. I just am doing it the way I'm doing it. No rules. There we go. And it's kind of fun. It's nice to be able to put a quick wreath together how you'd like to do it, right? Trying to decide how I want to do it. Now, using my reverse tweezers, I find that makes it a lot easier just because you can grab your greenery. I like to only glue the centers down because then the leaves and the greenery has a little bit of movement and dimension that way. And you can keep tucking. These were cut out of Paper Tray Ink Craft cardstock now. So I'm just going to add these little pieces in. And I'll add these last pieces here. Now, the nice thing about this wreath is it's large enough that you can have a gnome popping out of the center if you'd like, which is kind of fun. Okay, now my little bow was cut out of Paper Tray Ink Pure Poppy cardstock and a dark burgundy cardstock. Ooh, I can't remember the name of that one, but it's also Paper Tray Ink. There we go. And now these are cut out of dark chocolate cardstock from Paper Tray Ink, and then Pure Poppy for the little berries. It helps when you have one of these little tools to pick up all of the little berries. It just makes it easier. So there we go. I'm just going to pop them all into place, and then I'll go ahead and decorate my wreath with them. And like I said, you can decorate this wreath any way you'd like to decorate it. So, it's quite a large-sized wreath. So it would make a nice, singular image on a card if you'd like to do it that way. Or you can add it to one of our gnomes and have the gnome peeking out at the center, which would be super cute. There we go. So just basically adding the berries on. And then I will add it to my wreath. Now, if you wanted to, you could easily use little pearls or enamel dots to these little berry pieces. That would be cute as well. There we go. And I'm just going to stick down another one of these berries. There we go. And I'll glue my little bow down. And I do weight that down. Now I've got a little pine cone that's cut out of that same dark chocolate cardstock. There we go. And I'll kind of pop that up behind the bow. And I do weight it down. I'll add a few more pieces of greenery just to balance some things out. And I've got some more red berries to add. These ones are a little bit larger, kind of more like little ornaments. And then I decided to add a few of these little berries as well, sprinkled here and there. And like I said, any way you want to do it is the right way. This is just how I'm interpreting this. So there it is so far. I decide to add, balance out the color a little bit and add, a couple more little pieces in. And remember, you can trim these little pieces of greenery and, do this however you'd like to do this. There we go. I'm just going to add another little piece of that greenery. And then that's what I've got. So thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to hop on over to the Jaded Blossom blog. Be inspired by the team, the Jaded Blossom store, to get your hands on these amazing products. Thanks, everybody. Bye.